Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I'm doing a bit of a different video. I am unboxing January's Glossybox. So I'm literally so excited about this box. This box is the Power of Beauty box, which is all about self-care, and it is pretty much needed. For the last couple of days I have been in bed with my back and I need a bit of pamper time, I need a bit of self-care, and this box couldn't have come at a better time. It's actually come a bit later than usual, but I think it's to do with the Royal Mail and everything that's going on at the minute. But nevertheless, I am so excited to get into this box today. So if you are new here, I would love you to come and join my little family here on YouTube by hitting that little red button down below. Also hit the bell, because that will notify you when I next upload. And without further ado, let's see what's in January 2021's Glossybox. So before I get started, I want to tell you a little bit about Glossybox, just in case you have no idea about Glossybox, what it is or what you actually get in the box. So basically it is a monthly beauty subscription box. I actually paid for this box with my own money, and this is actually my second year of having it, so you can see how much I like this box. Basically you get 5 products in here and they are worth over £50. Sometimes you get a sneaky little product in there, so you get 6 products in there, which I think this month you actually get 6 products, so I'm excited to see what's in here. Like I said, you get 5 products or more worth over £50, and I pay £11.75. That includes postage and packaging as well. And I get my box every single month and it is sent to me in the post. It is so nice to wake up one morning, you forget that you got this box coming, and the postman knocks and he's standing there with your Glossybox. It just makes your day, honestly. I actually wrote down on my bit of paper about all the monthly subscriptions. If you go for a 12-month plan, it will cost you £11.75, which is what I go for, and honestly I've not regretted this box at all. So like I said, this has been my second year of having this box. You can also go for a 3-month plan, which is £38.25, which means 3 boxes. Also paid outright, so you can pay for 6 months, which is £69, and you'll get 6 boxes, or you can pay for a whole year and that is £132. I actually bought my daughter for her birthday back in June. I actually bought her the 3-month plan just to see if she liked it, and if she did, then she could subscribe to it afterwards, and it turned out she absolutely loved it, and now she subscribes to it as well. And not only did she get her present on her birthday, but she also got 2 months presents after that as well. So it is such a good gift idea for anybody. Also with the 12-month plan, you can actually do this as a Christmas present, and then every single month for a year you've bought someone a Glossybox, which is such a lovely gift. So as you can see, the box is pink and then it has the Glossybox logo on it, which is so pretty. So I'm going to open up the box and show you what it looks like inside. So inside the box, as you can see, it's beautiful, wrapped with a ribbon, and then you get a little leaflet here, and this leaflet tells you everything that's in your box and how much it costs at retail price. You can see that it's wrapped up in tissue paper and this little logo sticker here, and every time I try and open this box I always rip it. I try and do it as nice as I can, but it always rips. This month's box you actually get 6 products. So the first product is a hand sanitizer, which is obviously needed right now. This has aloe vera and vitamin E in it. I absolutely love vitamin E, it is so good for your skin. So the product looks like this. This is a full-size product, and it's really good size to put in your handbag and carry around with you, because obviously we need this wherever we go at the minute. And this retails at £2.72. This next product I am so happy that I have got in my Glossybox, because I have completely run out and I needed some more, and it is a brow gel. This is from the St. Lux company. It is a full-size product and it is worth £16. I'm completely out of brow gel, so I'm so glad I've opened this box today so I can use it tomorrow morning. We are currently 10 o'clock at night, by the way, guys, because I've been in bed for a couple of days, and I promised you guys I would get a video up on the Friday. I mean, this video will probably go up on the Saturday, but anyway, back to the product. So this is what the product looks like. A nice sleek packaging. Inside it has a little tiny brush, which is really good for getting those little fine hairs right at the front of the brow. I'm so excited I got this in Glossybox today, because I was going to order one, so I'm really happy that I got it in this month's Glossybox. So next up in the box we have some daily reusable rounds. These are literally like cotton pads. Can you see those? These are literally like cotton pads, but these you can put in the washing machine and then you can reuse them. Obviously good for saving the planet and all of that. You get 2 in a pack and they are worth £6.80. So they're used for taking off your makeup, so you can put the cleanser on the pads like you would a cotton wool pad. Oh my gosh, they are so soft. They are so soft. So these are the little pads here. They are so soft. They actually remind me of a baby's washcloth, and I use washcloths to take off my makeup. I just feel like it's a lot softer and a lot kinder to the skin. So these are going to be really nice, and the fact that you can wash them and reuse them again, you're really getting your money's worth. I'm going to be using these tonight to take my makeup off. So this next product is from Ecooking. This is a moisturising serum. It's a 10ml and it's basically a moisture boost for your face. So it looks like this. This retails at £22.50. This is actually a deluxe mini, but the full size is worth £45. So you can tell it's going to be a good product. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand here. It is a serum, so it's going to feel quite oily, and I do worry about products like that because I have quite oily skin. But oh my gosh, it feels so soft and so nice. This sort of product would be so nice as a no makeup day, just to give you that really nice overall glow. But I have noticed how much that has brought out my tattoo. Wow. That's literally brought out the colour of my tattoo. My tattoo was so faded, but right now my tattoo looks vibrant. So if it does that to my tattoo, what is it going to do to my skin? I'm excited to use that product now. I'm really excited. So the next product is this Avocado infused sheet mask. You always get a sheet mask or some sort of mask or eye mask or lip mask with Glossybox. It is so good, and I've got so many upstairs. I'm literally stocked up for the whole year. So this is a full size product. It is worth £4.95. Looks like this. I absolutely love having a nice bubbly bath and then wearing a sheet mask in the bath. It's just the nicest feeling ever, and you feel so refreshed when you get out of the bath. So Avocado is really moisturising for your skin, so I would expect this is for dry skin. So with these colder weathers at the minute, if you have dry skin, this would be brilliant for your skin right now. This last product in the box, unfortunately I cannot tell you how much it costs because it's not actually in the leaflet. You can see it doesn't actually have it on the leaflet itself, so I can't actually tell you how much it costs because there was meant to be something else in there, which was a face massage tool, but we didn't seem to get that in our box for some reason. But nevertheless, we did get an eye mask. This is for dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin and swelling. I need this right now. I have had lack of sleep and I've just been so poorly, so my eyes are in need of this. This is from the company Mud Masky, and I know I absolutely love their product. I've actually got a hair mask from them, and oh my god, it is so good. So if this is anything like that hair mask, I'm sure it will be absolutely brilliant. So this is what the product looks like. I'm sorry I can't tell you how much it is, but like I said, it's not actually on this month's leaflet. I really do like this company and I like their products that they sell, so I'm excited to use this one. So that was everything in this month's Glossybox. I am absolutely so happy with the stuff that I got. That brow gel, that couldn't have come at a better time. The face mask, I cannot wait to put a face mask on and just relax in a nice bubbly bath. The eye mask is going to be so good for the dark circles from the lack of sleep that I have. The eye pads I'm going to be using tonight to take my makeup off. So I'm really happy with this month's box. As you can see, it's definitely a worthwhile box. It is definitely worth your money and you definitely get your money back. This month's box was worth over £90. So spending only £11.75 a month when you get a £90 box, you just can't argue with that. That is so good. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see this as a monthly video, because I love showing you guys my Glossybox. I get so excited about it, and I love just showing you that it's well worth the money. It really is. So I really hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Come join the little family. So take care everybody, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye.